Today's video is Shy Guy pulls the fire alarm / defeated.
Good morning, class. I hope you are ready. First, let's take the register. Elivan.
Here.
Harry Potter.
Here.
Hermione Granger. Here.
After Miss Green took the register.
Good. Everyone is here, so let's start with math.
Hey, Miss Green.
What is it, Shy Guy?
Can I use the bathroom?
Sure. But hurry back.
Wow! I can't believe she fell for it. I am going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Okay, here's the fire alarm. Now time to pull it down in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! It's going off. Now time to evacuate.
Okay, everyone, line up. There's a fire drill. Oh dear. It's okay, Matilda, it's only a drill. A drill, I'm scared.
It's okay, Matilda, I'm right here with you.
Oh. Thank you very much, Kirby, for caring for me.
You're welcome, Matilda. After the drill was over.
Okay, class, now that the drill is over, let's continue with some math.
Attention all students and teachers. That was a fake fire alarm, but there was a student who pulled down the fire alarm, and to whoever did not, go straight to my office right now.
Oh my god, it was a fake fire drill. Who can explain who did it? Go ahead then, Kirby.
I know exactly who pulled the fire alarm. It was Shy Guy. Because he asked you if he could use the bathroom, and then he pulled down the fire alarm and made Matilda start crying.
Oh my god, thanks for telling me that, Kirby. Shy Guy is in so much trouble now. Shy Guy, did you pull down the fire alarm? Tell me the truth right now.
Well, yes. I did.
Shy Guy, how dare you pull down the fire alarm? You just made Matilda cry. That's it. Go to Principal Stevens' office right now.
When Shy Guy got to the principal's office.
Shy Guy, was it you who pulled the fire alarm? Tell me the truth right now.
Yes! It was me. And they made Matilda cry for that.
Shy Guy, how dare you pull the fire alarm and made Matilda cry and upset. That's it. You are excluded for 1 week. Go home right now.
When Shy Guy got back home. Shy Guy, how dare you pull the fire alarm and made Matilda cry? That's it. Time to defeat you. I am now defeated. Now, go upstairs to your room right now, and think about what you have done. Wow.